All right, Mark Balderson, Tuesday, May 8th. Word of the day is island. And here's what we got going today. We've been having a lot of meat lately. So we've got veggies. And the veggies are a purple cauliflower. We've done these before. It's a big hit with the family. We give them a little dusting of olive oil. And today we've got a little coating of Simply Marvelous Seasonall. And we're going to let these go till they soften up a little bit. And we're having some macaroni and cheese with this. So once again, it's Mark Balderson. Word of the day is island. We'll catch you tomorrow.